Hello, this is Cherie Ward, and I was chosen to receive the John Wolfe Community Pack by Oldies and Goodies. I've got everything laid out here. Um, there is a lot of stuff. Beautiful coins. I've got all my books ready, and I'm about to go through and see exactly what I need. So many different options, and they're all really beautiful. I first want to say thank you, Al, for choosing me to be the next recipient. Truly grateful. And I'll be back with you guys to show you what I have decided. Until then, all right, I am back. And this is what I decided to take that I have not found myself. A few of the later years of Canadian cents and two of the S proofs. Absolutely beautiful. 64D, and I got into the stickers and got a Bradley Height, SHTF, Scrapping, Hoarding, Tinkering Fun, Brian's World, and our Armando from the Vault. What I am going to contribute is I have this older book, which if somebody doesn't have one, it'd be great, or even if you want to flip through and see what the prices were then. The 2008 Blue Book. I have some stickers that I'm adding to the pile. And I chose to do a dollar coin, 79p, Susan B. Anthony, a 64 to replace the 64D, a 64D silver quarter, 1903 Indian head, a 68 half dollar, and a 55S really nice wheat cent. I also threw in these pieces of raw opal. John Wolfe and the others, I appreciate you allowing me the opportunity to go through your Wolf Pack and your community box. I appreciate it. And this one's going to be heading towards Mel's Coin Corner. So, thank you. Best wishes.